We are in the future. This AI tool helped me to increase my profit. Hello everyone, today we are going to trade using trading signals from a chatbot based on artificial intelligence, Chatgpt 4. I've tried this chatbot already, I liked it and it was profitable. Guys, you can check out my previous videos. And today I would like to test it again and let's see how much money I can earn today. And I want to remind you that I use these trading signals only as a confirmation of my own technical analysis. Sometimes I don't open deals if my analysis and my opinion differ from the chatbot. This is the approach that exactly helped me to increase profitable deals. So guys, I can't wait to start. Finally, let's go! So I logged into the Telegram channel to the chatbot Chatgpt 4. Here it provides a list of currency pairs to choose from. I select and click on the currency pair for which I want to receive a signal. Immediately after that, the chatbot sends further instructions. Now it offers me to open a deal for 5 minutes up. I fulfill the specified conditions, set the time to 5 minutes and press the green button. At the same time, we can see that at the moment there is a downtrend, the price is moving down quite confidently, and the chatbot assumes that in the near future the price will turn around and move up. That is, the price will fall into the correction zone and some kind of upward movement will occur. I think it's quite possible in this case. Indeed, after a confident downward movement, a pullback in the opposite direction may occur. It is on this upward corrective movement, guys, we will try to earn. And also I want to tell you that this chatbot always sends signals for 5 minutes, and that's why we have to expect this time only. And I think within 5 minutes a rollback up can occur. Well, it's not bad at all. As you can see, the price really continued to move up and here we got the profit. The chatbot turned out to be right and gave us a good entry point, and I have really managed to earn on this upward corrective movement. I think it's great for the beginning, guys. Let's continue. So guys, here the chatbot offers us to open a deal up. Well, I will agree with the chatbot and press the green button. At the same time, we can see that there was a good confident downtrend here. The price was steadily moving down and from a certain point there was a reversal. Green candles are formed. The chatbot assumes that in this case the price will move up. As you may have noticed, this situation reminds us of the past situation, and also after a confident downtrend, the price fell into the correction zone and there was a pullback in the opposite direction. I hope that the same thing will happen here and I will be able to earn on this upward movement. So guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Well, that's great, guys. As you can see, the price really continued to move up and we got the profit here. The chatbot was able to correctly predict the further price movement, and as you can see, 5 minutes in this situation was totally enough for us. So guys, as you can see, everything goes great and let's continue, guys. Here the chatbot offers us to open a deal for 5 minutes up. Well, I will not refuse the chatbot and I will press the green button, because in this case we also see that at the moment there is a good confident uptrend and the bot assumes that in the near future the price will continue to move in an uptrend. I think that in this case it is also quite possible because the price here doesn't have a bad potential to increase, and also the main price lows are getting higher. It is quite possible that within 5 minutes the price will continue to move up the uptrend, and I think that this time will also be enough, even take into account the possible correction or pullback down, because as you know, even with uptrends the price can roll back down. That is, the price can move in waves, and even with all these movements I think 5 minutes in this case will be totally enough. And so guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. So my dear traders, not bad at all. Indeed, after the downward pullback, the upward movement continued and we got the profit. I have managed to earn on this upward movement and 5 minutes was just enough for us. So guys, let's request next trading signal. Alright, here the chatbot offers us to open a deal for 5 minutes up. I will agree with the chatbot and press the green button, because here we also see that at the moment the price is mainly moving up. The price lows are getting higher. At the same time, there is also a certain level of resistance at the top. The chatbot assumes that in the near future the price will continue to move directly to the resistance level. I think that in this case it is also quite possible. I hope that 5 minutes will be enough for us as well. And so guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Well, that's great, guys. The price really continued to move up. This level has also been broken through. Here I got great and confident profit. I have managed to earn on this upward movement, and as you can see, the chatbot was right again. It gave us, guys, a good entry point, and as you can see, technical analysis in combination with chatbot works great. So guys, let's continue. So here the chatbot offers us to open a deal down. Let's fulfill the specified condition, and I will press the red button. At the same time, we also see that after the upward movement, the price has turned around and is moving down. At the same time, we also see that the main price highs are getting lower. The chatbot assumes that the price will move down in the near future. I think that in this case, it's quite possible, since we see that after the upward movement, there was a reversal. At the moment, the price has been moving down recently. I hope that the price will continue its downward movement within 5 minutes. It is on this moment that we will try to make money. And so guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. It's not bad, guys. As you can see, the price continued to move in the correction zone, and the closing point of our deal turned out to be lower than the opening point. This means that we are making profit here. In fact, the chatbot turned out to be right. The most important thing is that I managed to make a profit. Guys, let's continue. So here the chatbot offers us to open a deal for 5 minutes down. I will fulfill the specified conditions. Since here we can see that at the moment there has been a reversal from this point, red candles are forming. The chatbot assumes that in the near future the price will continue to move in a downtrend. I think that in this case it is quite possible, and I hope that 5 minutes will be enough for us in this situation, even take into account possible correction or pullback up. So guys, let's wait for the result. So guys, as you can see, unfortunately there was a reversal and the price continued to move up. In this case, we lost our deposit. Unfortunately, our technical analysis and the bot signals didn't combine well, and it's okay, we will not get upset. Guys, let's continue. So here the chatbot offers us to open a deal for 5 minutes up. I will agree with the chatbot and I will press the green button. At the same time, I also see that there is a certain level of support at the bottom from which a reaction is more likely to occur. The price will push off from it and will move up. Because we see that the price has been moving down quite confidently before, this means that in the near future it is quite possible that some kind of corrective movement and a pullback in the opposite direction will occur. Also, if we rewind the chart to the left, we will see that the overall price potential is mainly going up. We will try to make money on this upward movement. I hope that in this case 5 minutes will be enough, and so guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. So guys, as you can see, the price is moving quite impulsively, and within 5 minutes the price made several rollbacks. Nevertheless, the closing point of our deal turned out to be higher than the opening point, and this means that we got the profit. Guys, in this case, we managed to earn money. This is the most important thing. Guys, let's continue. Here the chatbot offers us to open a deal for 5 minutes down. Let's fulfill the specified conditions and press the red button. At the same time, we can see that at the moment there is a downtrend. The main price highs are also getting lower. The chatbot assumes that in the near future the price will continue to move in a downtrend. In this case, it is quite possible. It is on this downtrend that we are now going to try to earn. And so guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. So guys, it's quite a dangerous moment, but we still got a loss. As you can see, the price continued to move in the correction zone. In the last seconds, there was an upward pullback, and our deal unfortunately closed at a loss again. Unfortunately, such situations also happen, and I needed just a few seconds, but there's nothing I can do. This is the market and everything can happen here. But guys, I still have some money on my deposit. So guys, let's continue and we will follow my strategy. So here the chatbot offers us to open a deal down. I will agree with the chatbot and I will press the red button. At the same time, we also see that at the moment there is a downward movement and red candles are forming. There is also a support level at the bottom. The chatbot assumes that in the near future the price will continue to move directly to the support level. At the same time, we also see that the main price highs are getting lower. The price is mostly moving down. I hope that this time the price will continue to move towards the level, but we will still be able to make profit. So guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Well guys, it's not bad at all. The price nevertheless continued its downward movement and here we got the profit. The chatbot turned out to be right and gave us a good entry point. I have managed to correctly predict the price movement. Guys, let's continue. So here the chatbot offers us to open a deal for 5 minutes up. Let's fulfill the specified conditions and press the green button. At the same time, I also see that we have a certain level of resistance at the top. The price is approaching our level. At the moment, there is a certain compression of the resistance level. The chatbot also assumes that the price will continue to move up in the near future. At the same time, we can see that the main price lows are getting higher. That is, the overall price potential is also predominantly moving up. We are going to try to make money on this upward movement right now. Also, we can see that the price has been moving in waves lately. I hope that 5 minutes in this case will be totally enough for us, even take into account possible correction or pullback down. And so guys, we just watching the price and waiting for the result. Oh my dear traders, it's not bad at all. Even despite the fact that the price slowed down, we still managed to make a profit here. In fact, the chatbot turned out to be right again. It correctly managed to predict the further price movement. And the most important thing is that we have made a profit here and the price really continued to move towards the level. So guys, well, in the meantime, I already have more than $4,000 on my deposit and I suggest we end this because I fulfilled my trading plan for today. Well, this is the end of our trading session. Guys, let me know how you liked it. Today we had 10 deals, 2 of them were unprofitable. Well, it happens, it's totally fine, and 8 of them were profitable. So as you can see, using this chatbot in combination with technical analysis can really help you out. You can also try to trade with this chatbot, try it on your own, and all the information about this nice tool I will leave down below. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you were able to learn something new today. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, put a big thumbs up to this video, and of course turn on notifications so you don't miss my new videos. Guys, I wish you to have profitable trading sessions and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye!